Gluing up a curved edge is tricky. Adding a spline to align the two halves makes things much easier, but a curvy spline? No worries. Infinity Tools anti-kickback 3-wing slot cutters are designed for optimal performance and results when you're milling slots. And they'll follow any edge at any depth for a perfect and beautiful joint. Switching cutters and bearings for the best performance is a simple task. Choose either a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch arbor. Then select the cutter thickness preferred. Select the correct diameter bearing for your slot depth and assemble. Add the cutter to the arbor. Add a washer and bearing. Then add a second washer and the nut. And assembly is even easier when using our router bit vise to loosen and tighten the assembly. Infinity slot cutters are perfect for milling biscuit slots or for making grooves that require a specific start and stop point. Best of all is having the ability to mill grooves in a curved face. Go beyond just straight line table saw cuts and lay grooves into curves. Infinity slot cutters will open worlds of possibilities for ornamental features or specialty joinery.